Right now I'm going to showcase with a microwave oven how you can test if your K18 Plus is really working for the RF signal. So we're going to turn it on again, and just as before we calibrated to 3 green LEDs. Now the micro oven is a very strong device that will generate high levels of radiation. So when we turn it on, after a while, you can see it goes all out. And if I turn it off again, it's away. Even when I try to calibrate it lower, it goes back up. So this is a really good example to see if your device is working correctly, yes or no.